Right, I've actually got a proper engineering drawing here instead of just the normal scribbles I get. Basically all the part is, it's a flat ring, a washer. It's a spacer washer for a gear on a crankshaft on a traction engine. Basically it's a 4mm thick spacer washer with a 76.2mm hole in, which I think is 3 inch, and he wants it 113 on the OD. To turn this on the lathe out a bit of solid bar will be a little bit of a chew on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut one out on a plasma cutter. I've got some 4mm plates, some good quality 4mm plates. I'll cut it out on a plasma cutter, undersized hole, oversized OD, and I can chew it up and bore it to size. Right, so I cut the washer out quite simply, easy to draw, easy to cut out. I press the button twice to have two, so I can make a mistake on one. I'll give it a quick polish up with a floppy wheel and the grinder, then put them in the lathe and machine them, but it is good quality material and it has made a nice clean cut. Right, I've given it a little tickle with a floppy disc on the grinder just to clean the edges up. Make sure that's running reasonably true. A nasty hard edge where it's been burnt. It's gone quite hard that with plasma cutting. I'm not sure what sort of material that is. The machining not so bad now, we've got through the hard skin. This should be the last cut. Bastard. Just knocked it off canter a little bit there. One minute to come off it. Nice and true there now. Right, so we've got 113 dead. Put the reverse jaws in. You've been in the drawer, we changed wheels are covered, not a bad thing I suppose. At least they weren't rusty. It's one thing I haven't got problems with at all in this workshop, luckily rust. Right. Each jaw's got numbers on. It's always the last one you pick up. So you'll go jaw 1. Two, 3, that's right, number 4. If they all meet in the middle, it means you've got the job right. Push it straight from there with a pushy tool. It's actually not running too bad. And that's just bumped it in nice and straight. This is where the South-Central 4-jaw chuck's handy compared to a 3-jaw chuck. And obviously if you need something absolutely concentric, you're going to need to use a 4-jaw independent chuck. But for what this is, it's ideal. It's going to shorten the bar down so it's nice and stiff. Got 74.6. The tip's seen better days. Once again, it's just a cheap Banggood insert tool. It seems to do the job alright. 76.1, 76. Need Fanny's hair taken out of it. About that much. slightly bigger. I think it's going to make a great deal of difference. It's just got a slip over a shaft. I've got a repair job to do here. The sprocket, it's actually burst along its keyway along there. It's off a roller brake tester. The lad can't get a one for 7 weeks, so he's actually stuck. Somebody's trying to put a bit snot weld on there to see if they can hold it together. And so what I'm going to do is squash it close, V it out, weld it, and I'll machine a collar to go around there. The other way we can machine the gear off, cut the weld off, and put the gear onto a new bush, but he is getting the one, so it's just sort of a temporary repair. So we'll squash it flat, V it out, weld it, and like I say, I'll make a collar to go around and weld the collar on. I mean, the way it's broken out, I'm no metallurgist, but that looks like shite to me. Anyway, it's what you get in this day and age, basically. There's a pin goes through there, which is obviously a weak point, that's probably where it started. It's actually come off altogether now, which is possibly just as well. Means I'll be able to V it out and make it a better fit. It's absolute. See where the hole is right along the length of the keyway. That's just rubbish, that. I'm just going to put a couple of tacks on to hold it in place before I lay it out. Yeah, you can probably see I've done a little bit of damage to it now with the grinder. I've beat it right out, just about all the way through, so I can get some proper welding into that, and then make a collar to go around the outside of it. I've got no idea what the material is, so I'm going to weld it with a rod that's designed for welding to similar metals. It's stainless steel based rod. We'll run some welding to there, and then hopefully it'll run for a few weeks. Right, I've got that stuck together not so bad. I think it's going to be greater a problem, but I am still going to put that side as well. I'm still going to machine a collar, put a collar around that in, because there's plenty of room on the machine it goes onto, just to give it a fighting chance. There's quite a lot of wear in there as well. That's the shaft that it fits onto a shaft. It's a tight fit in the gear where the key is. But obviously that's moved. I think that's what's happened is that's moved along to there and then wobbled about and just pulled the key out and split. As long as that's into there, the key in that part should give it a fighting chance. I found a piece of nice heavy wall steel tube scrap box. It will do perfectly for a reinforcing collar. Square the ends up. Bits of pipe like this always come in handy. that should. It's just about on. A little fine cut off there. Right, that'll do. That'll do a bit of strength. I've welded that collar on. I don't think it's going to give any problem now. So it's only going to run for a few weeks until he gets a proper replacement. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all well wishers that are still coming in towards me dad and my wife. Thanks very much. And don't forget, the link in the description box of the video takes you to the Double Boost shop where you can buy a hat or a cup. Anyway, thanks for watching.